everyone, I'm Saundri. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer the pom-pom balls using a pair of tongs. For this activity, we need one bowl with some pom-pom balls, one empty bowl and a pair of tongs. Let me show you how to use a pair of tongs. This is a pair of tongs. To hold the tongs, we use our thumb finger, index finger and middle finger. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Let's start the activity. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Let's put back our work. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. This activity helps children in improving their three-finger grasp, concentration, coordination and independence. The variation of this activity is the child can transfer flowers using a pair of tongs. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Thank you.